Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the silver price action overnight declines further and now reaches its goal of $16.60. With the technical implications still holding to a slightly bearish bias, I still expect to see further tests to the downside, although I am getting a little bit cautious due to the fact that the market did respect that level at 60, and the challenge towards that level today may find again the bulls returning to defend this level. On the day, any advances should find resistance capping around now at $17.15. The gold price action overnight for a moment did look like it was going to take on the top side, but however you can see that the market has fallen quite heavily, and the close from New York this morning now looks towards the target of 1,248 and reassess from there. The reason why I say that is that if we get a break beneath 48, that would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 42 or maybe even lower to 36. Now, with that being said, we are getting a little bit low on the technical side, so a defense from the bulls may return quite firmly and see a challenge from that 1,248 recover up towards a minor resistance that holds at around 58. Any advances on the day should find the cap now at 1,266. Well, overnight the price action in the Australian dollar once again fails towards the top side as it attempts to take on that 76.1035 level, which spiked there and failed. Although we saw a slightly better employment report with the forecast coming in at the moment was at 9.7k, but came in better at 42. The unemployment rate became lower as well, from 5.7 to 5.5, and it was from there that triggered the market to rally. But however, as you can see, the failed challenge from that 76 handle now looks back towards 75.45. Now a break beneath there would give further exposure to the downside and bring in a target of that 75.0515, and seeing only a break beneath there will get the market to fall further to 74.30. Well, the euro overnight weakens further and takes out that support at 111.70. Now looks towards 110.70 as an objective. Any advances on the day should find resistance now coming in around 111.80 and firmer above at 112.30. Now from the level of 110.70 could see a bullish return, so do be a little bit careful if you're short in case we get a slight rebound off that level. Now that being said, if we do get a break beneath 110.70, that would give further exposure to the downside and bring in an objective of 107 region. So do be aware that if the market does break beneath there, we should see a heavier fall. Well, dollar yen still holding to its bullish bias, mainly from the fact from Janet Yellen's unexpected upbeat hawkish statement. Now the market had taken out that 110.60 level, now looks towards 111.45.65 and reassess from there. Any pullback on the day should be shallow, and the support now comes in at 110.40 and firmer beneath at 109.60. And to wrap up with the Great British Pound, market consolidated overnight after its recent erratic behaviour. However, I still expect to see the bears to continue to take the challenge towards that 126.35 level, with any advances on the day now sees a cap still around 128.1025. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful start to the weekend.